Hello friends, myself Professor Seema Nagdeve, Assistant Professor and Head of the Department Botany, Mahatma Gandhi College, Armory District, Gadchiroli. As per CBCS syllabus of Botany of Gondwana University, Gadchiroli, in semester 5, in paper 1, we have chosen the optional subject that is Economic Botany, paper 1. It includes 4 units, and in first unit there is a definition and scope of economic botany, origin, distribution, botanical description, brief idea of cultivation and uses of following food yielding plants. Now first is the cereals, in which rice, wheat, maize and jawar is included. In legume and pulses, there is a study of gram, vegan pea, lentil pea, green gram, and black gram. Now the course outcomes of this unit 1: to know the definition and the scope of economic botany, to study the detailed account on origin, distribution, botanical description, brief idea of cultivation and uses of following food yielding plants. To study the cereals, in which rice, wheat, maize and jawar is included. To study legumes and pulses, to know the detailed account on gram, vegan pea, lentil pea, green gram and black gram. Now about introduction of unit 2nd. In this origin, distribution, botanical description, brief idea of cultivation and uses of following vegetables, sugar and fruit yielding plants is included, in which potato, tomato, brinjal, onion and chili. In sugar, there is a study of sugarcane plant. In fruits, there is a study of mango and papaya plant. Now, the course outcomes of this unit: to study the detailed account on origin, distribution and fruit yielding plants. To study the brief idea of cultivation and uses of vegetables. To study the vegetables in detail. To study on potato, tomato, brinjal, onion and chili plant. To know the sugarcane in details. To study economic importance of mango and papaya. Now about unit 3. In this unit, there is origin, distribution, botanical description, brief idea of cultivation and uses of following oil yielding plants and wild edible fruit plants are included. In oil, there is a study of groundnut, mustard, sesame, soybean, coconut and linseed. In wild yielding edible fruit plants, there is a study of tambourni, sarodi and jambu. Now about course outcomes of this unit. To know the oil yielding plants, to study the detailed account of wild edible fruit plants, to study the groundnut, mustard, sesame, soybean, coconut, linseed in details, to study about tambourni, sarodi and jambu, to study economic importance of oil yielding plants and wild edible fruit plants, to understand about origin, distribution, botanical description, brief idea of cultivation and uses of oil yielding plants as well as wild edible fruit plants. Now about unit 4. It includes origin, distribution, botanical description, brief idea of cultivation and uses of following fiber and forage yielding plants. In fiber, there is a study of cotton, jute, sun hemp, sisal, hemp and flax. In forage, lucerne, fenugreek and cowpea. Now the course outcomes of this unit: to know the fiber and forage yielding plants, To study the detailed account on origin, distribution, botanical description, brief idea of cultivation and uses of following fiber and forage yielding plants. To study the fiber in which cotton, jute, sunhemp, sisal hemp and flax is included. To understand the forage plants in which lucerne, fenugreek and cowpea is included. Now, the summary of this course outcome. Students understand the origin, botanical description, cultivation and uses of cereal crops in which rice, wheat, maize, jawar, gram, pigeon pea, lentil, green gram and black gram is included. They understand the origin, botanical description, cultivation, method and uses of groundnut, mustard, sesame, soybean, coconut, linseed, tamburi, sarodi and jambu. They also know about origin, botanical description, cultivation, method and uses of vegetable plants and fruit plants in which tomato, potato, brinjal, onion, chili, sugarcane, mango and papaya is included. They also know more about origin, botanical description, cultivation, method and uses of cotton, jute, sun hemp, sisal hemp, bamboo, cowpea, fenugreek and lucerne. This is about introduction and course outcomes of semester 5. Thank you.